A second grant in this category is from Dr. David Godler at Murdoch Children's Research Institute in Australia. And this project will look at, again, looking at RNA signatures in blood and brain, and looking at whether those RNA signatures might be predictive of behavioral challenges in PWS. So the Godler lab is interested in identifying early predictors of autism and serious mental illness in PWS. We all know that all of our kids are at higher risk for both of those. So how can we identify those individuals who are at the highest risk and hopefully intervene early? And what will that understanding that help us in the way of developing new therapeutics? So the preliminary studies from Dr. Godler's group suggest that there may be inflammatory pathways that are linked to this process, and that a particular gene in the region, UBE3A, may be important in helping to determine who is going to have the most difficulty. So this study will examine how UBE3A activity and those related inflammatory pathways are associated with behavioral issues in children and adolescents with PWS. And it will be, again, comparing the deletion subtype to the non-deletion, uniparental disomy, and imprinting-centered mutation individuals with PWS. So we're excited about this study because it is also using state-of-the-art technology, potentially to help identify early predictors at a time where we might be able to intervene and prevent mental illness or more severe autism characteristics. And we also, it may suggest new therapeutic targets. So if the hypothesis holds and it is linked to this inflammatory pathway, that will send us down new therapeutic pathways looking at anti-inflammatory medications, potentially to try to head off some of these issues. So we're a long way from that, but I think it will be a good step to see if that is the right direction for us to be going.